Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is for the person like myself that wants to make sure their car is as original as possible. And when I first got my car, it's an 85, so it's changed hands numerous times. When I first got my car, it did not have the sunroof wind deflector, and that has recently been added, and that's kind of the focus of today's video. But I want to go over a couple of things in the video as well. Interestingly, my car, somewhere in its life, had a GT steering wheel mounted. So I've got to find an original 85 SE to put in there because my car is an SE. So, you know, up here in the front area of the car, there's several things to keep an eye out if you want to keep your car as original as possible. Of course, the lug nut wrench, spare tire, jack, and the purpose of today's video, the wind deflector. Interestingly about my jack here, it's never been used. It still has the little rubber band around it. So again, the purpose of today's video is this wind deflector. If your car doesn't have this, check with the fine folks at the Fiero store. I actually got this one through a mutual Fiero friend for 25 bucks. It's in excellent shape. And in a future video, I will be doing a deep dive on, like I said, my car has the sunroof. I'm out with the horses this morning. There's some of them there. Pulled the car out of the shop this morning to shoot the video. There's some more up there. In a future video, I'm going to be doing a deep dive on how to safely remove the sunroof, place it up here in its proper storage position, of course, install the wind deflector, and then the reverse procedure of all that. We put the wind deflector back where it goes, and we put the sunroof back on the car. So that will be in a future upcoming video, so definitely stay tuned for that. It's a little chilly here in the Northwest Georgia mountains this time of year, so that, that may be when it warms up. I don't know. If we have a warm day, I'll shoot that video, but I want to go over and do a deep dive for everybody on the proper procedure for that. So like I said, if you're like me and you want your car to be as original as possible, there's basically 4 components up front you want to look for: lug nut wrench, spare tire jack, and of course, the wind deflector. So as always, I hope you found the video entertaining and educational. My purpose with this channel is to basically generate entertaining and educational content for the automotive enthusiast that, you know, gives them information about their car. I've done a lot of deep dive videos on the Fiero. Here in about the next 2 weeks, I'll be doing a lot of deep dive videos on the NSX and then some other cars that are coming in the collection, some comparisons. It's going to be a lot of fun. So as always, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Have a great day.